With one look at your wound, I'm able to tell whether you've been taking care of it or you've been following the doctor's advice. The wound never lies. Hi, my name is Alfia. I'm a senior podiatrist at NUH.
Podiatrists take care of the feet and lower limbs of the patients. We see a wide variety of conditions, including skin and nail pathologies, foot pain, or sports injuries. However, my role is slightly different. I'm an acute wounds specialist dealing with foot ulcers mostly caused by diabetes and post-surgical wounds. Patients with diabetes will find that their wounds are harder to heal. Small wounds on their foot may grow to become something much worse. This is where they come to me to do wound debridement. Debridement is a procedure of cleaning the wound and removing dead or infected skin tissue to help it heal. I rely on my usual tools like a scalpel and wound lounger. We also rely on special techniques for wound healing. One of them is the negative pressure wound therapy. We apply a vacuum through a special sealed dressing. It removes excess fluid and stimulates growth of new tissue. In certain cases, I rely on an unusual technique, maggots. Patients get squeamish or nervous when they hear about putting maggots on their wounds, but it's an effective and sterile method, especially for diabetic patients. Maggots secrete enzymes that break down unhealthy tissue, leaving behind a cleaner wound bed.
Why do I do what I do? Since young, I've had a deep interest in biology and anatomy, pathology, and physiology of the human body. And I chose to study the feet over other body parts because the feet often get neglected. I've been very fascinated with wounds and how the human body can heal itself. With one look at your wound, I'm able to tell whether you've been taking care of it or you've been following the doctor's advice. The wound never lies. That's all I have to share for now. Bye-bye.